Today our topic is Current Affairs Part 18. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB, other PSUs. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Which state will host the Defence Expo 2022? The given options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Haryana, D. Gujarat. The correct option is D. Gujarat. Gujarat will host the Defence Expo 2022. The Defence Expo 2022 will be held in Gandhinagar, Gujarat from 10th to 13th March 2022. This will be the 12th edition of the Defence Expo series. Recently, which Union Ministry launched a national webinar on Zero Hunger by 2030? The given options are Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, B. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, D. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. The given option D is correct one, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Ministry of Panchayati Raj organized a national webinar on Zero Hunger by 2030 as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on August 23, 2021. The webinar was inaugurated by the Minister of Panchayati Raj, Giriraj Singh. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is being organized to mark the 75th year of India's independence. As of August 2021, how many amendments have been done in the Constitution of India? The given options are A. 104, B. 103, C. 105, D. 102. The given option C is correct one, 105. As of August 2021, there have been 105 amendments of the Constitution of India. The 105th Constitution Amendment Act 2021 restores the power of state governments to identify and specify socially and economically backward classes. Articles 338B, 342A and 366 were amended under this Constitutional Amendment Act. In India, National Sports Day is celebrated every year on. The given options are 28th August, 27th August, C. 29th August, D. 30th August. The given option C is correct one, 29th August. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August every year. This day marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh. 29 August 1905. The hockey player who won the gold medals in the Olympics for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. First National Sports Day was celebrated in India on 29th August 2012. According to a report recently released by Forbes India, which city has the most CCTV cameras? The given options are A. New York, B. London, C. Shanghai, D. Delhi. The correct option is D. Delhi. According to Forbes India report, Delhi has ranked first city in the world with most CCTVs installed per square miles. As per the Forbes report, Delhi has a total 1826.6 CCTV cameras per square mile. According to the report of Forbes India, London is second city in this list with 1138 CCTV per cameras. Which Indian state has become the first state in the country to reserve jobs for transgender persons? The given options are A. Goa, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Arunachal Pradesh. The given option C is correct one, Karnataka. On July 22, 2021, Karnataka became the first state in India to reserve jobs in public employment in favor of transgender persons. Karnataka state government has amended the Karnataka Civil Services Rules 1977 to provide for 1% horizontal reservation for transgenders. Which Indian Union minister participated in the 6th Eastern Economic Forum summit held in Vladivostok, Russia? The given options are A. Dharmendra Pradhan, B. Hardeep Singh Puri, C. Nirmala Sitharaman, D. Piyush Goyal. The given option B is correct one, Hardeep Singh Puri. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri participated in the 6th Eastern Economic Forum summit in Vladivostok, Russia. He also co-chaired the Indian-Russia Business Dialogue on the sidelines of EEF. Which IIT has developed India's first rapid electronic COVID-19 RNA test kit named as CoviHome? The given options are IIT Delhi, B. IIT Kanpur, C. IIT Roorkee, D. IIT Hyderabad. The given option D is correct one, IIT Hyderabad. The Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad researchers have developed India's first rapid electronic COVID-19 RNA test kit. This test kit has been named as CoviHome. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Like and comment about my video. Thank you.